accent. Oh, is that just sloppy handwriting? I thought it was an accent on the second N. And my Spanish class I took in 8th grade would tell me I had to give it a yeah there. So.
I think you're going to remember me. Latino Action Network. I'm going to try to go fast.
3 minutes start now.
Land is proud to express strong support for Assembly Bill 470. The Privacy Protection Act. This legislation responds to a crisis that our communities have long been living with for years. The fear of personal information shared with government agencies or health care providers could be misused, disclosed, weaponized against vulnerable individuals and families. This bill recognizes that a simple but powerful truth reflected in legislative findings, that people have a fundamental privacy interest in how their data is collected, shared, and used. And when that privacy is not protected, individuals may avoid the very services as we've just been listening to and we know to be a fact. Healthcare, public benefits, legal protections that keep them safe and healthy. For these immigrants and mixed status families, this fear is especially acute. 4070 takes meaningful steps to address this crisis. It prohibits government entities and healthcare facilities from collecting immigration status, citizenship, place of birth, social security numbers, or ITINs unless absolutely necessary to administer service or ensure safe medical care. It ensures the sensitive information collected for these purposes is not subject to OPRA, cannot be disclosed without consent, and cannot be shared with law enforcement absent a judicial warrant or court order. It also places strong limits on the sharing of automated license plate reader data, an increasingly powerful surveillance tool that has too often been used without transparency or accountability. These protections are not abstract. They are essential in restoring trust, ensuring access to care, preventing discrimination, to help ensure that no one in New Jersey is forced to choose between safety and their privacy. At the same time, we know this legislation of this scope must be crafted with care again. LAND looks forward to working closely with bill sponsors to ensure that the final version of this act fully meets the needs of our communities in this moment of crisis, especially those most vulnerable. Thank you again for hearing me.
Ms. Cookie, would you be available to questions? You're not under any obligation, but Mr. Kanicha.
I'll be nice, I promise.
Okay, let's go.
I will be incredibly nice. I'm just going to ask you a couple questions. I commend you, for your